Kingdom of the Protists. The observable living world was once neatly divided between plants and animals, but the discovery of various microscopic organisms, including what we now know as protists and bacteria, brought forth the need to understand what they were and where they fit in the tree of life. All protists are organisms with a nucleus, known as eukaryotes. However, they are not fungi, plants, or animals. They are in a separate group of living things. The majority of them are unicellular. However, a few protists are multicellular. Giant kelp, for example, can grow to 100 meters long. Giant kelp can form large underwater forests, where many organisms like sea otters and abalone live. The protists are a kingdom of over 100,000 living species. Most protists reproduce by a parent cell splitting into two identical cells or with multiple fission, where a parent cell gives rise to multiple identical cells. Usually protists dwell in water, damp terrestrial environments, or sometimes as parasites. Protists are believed to be the common ancestral link between plants, animals, and fungi, from which these three groups branched out in the process of evolution. There are three types of protists. Number 1, animal-like protists or protozoa. Number 2, plant-like protists or algae. Number 3, fungi-like protists or molds. Classification of protists continues to be an area of active research, even as new tools are emerging for their study. Plant-like protists produce almost 1/2 of the oxygen on the planet through photosynthesis. Other protists decompose and recycle nutrients that humans need to live. All protists make up a huge part of the food chain. The animal-like protists must get their food from other organisms. They are able to move to get food. Some move by using pseudopods, or false feet. They use pseudopods to move away from bright light or to trap food. They can extend pseudopods on either side and trap a food particle. The food is then absorbed into the cell. An amoeba is an example of a protist that moves by pseudopods. Protists are responsible for a variety of human diseases, including malaria. On the plus side, medicines made from protists are used in the treatment of high blood pressure, digestion problems, ulcers, and arthritis. Seaweed is commonly eaten in many parts of the world. It's good for you. High in nutrients, low in calories. You have probably eaten processed seaweed and not even known it, since it's used as a thickener in foods like ice cream.